to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here we're going to be doing a Gucci haul. Okay, I have purchased a few Gucci items probably since October, and I want to go ahead and share these items with you guys all in one video. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, and if you guys want me to review these items separately, please go ahead and comment down below which items you're interested in me reviewing separately. Everything that I have here, with the exception of two of the items I've worn and used quite a bit, I can go ahead and give my honest opinion, my pros and cons, and all of that information, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, but before we do, if you like these types of videos, you know, luxury goods, unboxings, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. So let's go ahead and get started, all right? So I did a video a little while ago about a Gucci Marmot bag that I had gotten in the color, I don't know the color, but it's the nude color. So since then, I have gotten a couple of Marmot bags. I absolutely love the Marmot collection. It's one of my favorite collections that I've ever gotten out of any bag or any collection that I've ever gotten. So I did get another Marmot bag, and this one I am using more than any of the others. So let's go ahead and reveal it. So this right here is the Gucci Marmot small shoulder bag, and this color is the color Mystic White, okay? And they're calling it white, but this is really a beige color. And this is my most worn Marmot bag. I wear it all the time, y'all. All the time. I absolutely love this bag. It is gorgeous. So let me go ahead and get up close so you guys can really see the color. This is the color. It's really a cream color. And of course you have the gold hardware. And again, this is just a gorgeous bag. The Marmot collection is just the bomb to me. The leather on the Marmot bags is so soft and squishy, and the bag just has a lot of room to me, in my opinion. I wear this bag all the time, and I've stopped wearing it for a little while because I recently got the red Gucci Soho flat bag, so I've been wearing that one a lot. But this is my favorite bag right here. So here's the interior. You're gonna have that microfiber lining on the inside. You have the cream colored Gucci tag on the inside. And then you have a pocket right here where you can put, you know, maybe a card case or something in there. Nothing special, but I really do love this bag. I got this bag off of Nordstrom, and I really do love it. It's just a beautiful bag all around, and you can wear this bag year round. For a second, I was wondering if I would wear it because it's the winter time. There are some cons with this bag, and the con about this bag is that it does get very dirty, okay? You know, this bag gets dirty even if you're not even trying to get it dirty. And I've gotten back in the car from like a grocery store run or something, even though I keep my bag on me. You know, I've gotten in the car from a grocery store run and I've seen spots on this bag, and I was scared. I was like, is it color transfer? But it wasn't. I simply just took a wet paper towel with water and just wiped it right off with no issues. But I see some stains on here now, but they come right off with no problem. So far with this bag, I haven't experienced any color transfer, but I don't wear jeans. I only wear leggings, so I'm not sure. It is possible that maybe you can get some color transfer if you wear jeans or something, you know, along those lines, but I haven't experienced that at all. But if you've been looking at this bag and this bag is on your radar, I would highly recommend it. It's a gorgeous bag. It is one of my favorite Marmots, and this bag right here will be a forever bag in my collection. Okay, so moving on, we have another Marmot bag, you guys, and I do plan on doing a video just showing you guys all of my Marmots because I do have quite a few. But this bag right here, I absolutely had to have it because it's in my favorite color. If you guys watch my videos, you know that my bedding is this color. I have a lot of things that are this color, and so I had to get it. And I got this bag off of Poshmark. It's no longer sold in regular stores anymore. You would have to get it on the Preloved market. The lady that I got it from, she has a really nice store on Poshmark. I'll go ahead and link her store in the description bar. But here's the bag right here. And this is the Gucci Marmot small, and this is the velvet. I'm not sure what this was called, but this is the velvet version, okay? And I mean, look how gorgeous this bag is. I mean, it's just absolutely beautiful, okay? Up close, you can see it has the gold hardware, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful bag. And I was scared to wear this bag, but I started wearing it and I really do love it. I don't have any issues with it. It has a beautiful red interior, and this is kind of like a I don't know what the fabric is, but it's either like silk or velvet or something. I'm not sure, but it has a really nice interior. And as you see, I was wondering if it will be stiff because it is a velvet bag, but it's not stiff. You have plenty of room to get your stuff in and out of, and at the same point in time, it still holds its shape. The zipper is a little tight because this was brand new when the person did sell it to me, but I don't have any issues with this bag. I wear this bag also. I'll go ahead and insert some pictures. I don't throw this bag around or anything, but at the same time, I don't baby it, and it still looks really good. I've had this bag probably about a month, and I've worn it probably about 4 times, okay? So yeah, this is how it looks. Again, another gorgeous bag. I would highly recommend this one, especially if you have been thinking about getting the velvet Marmot. You can really find them at some great prices on the Preloved market. And I really love this. And this bag is going to also stay in my collection. At least I plan on this bag staying in my collection. Okay guys, so next up we have a new bag that I just bought and I just got 2 days ago. And I'm not 100% certain if I'm gonna keep it yet, but I think that I am gonna keep it, but I'm still on the fence. And it came in this box, which is absolutely gorgeous. I've never seen this packaging before, and this bag is from the children's section, so I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but it came packaged very nicely. It had a nice little ribbon and everything. I got this bag straight from Gucci.com, and so let's go ahead and open it up. The inside, you have this beautiful packaging as well, and then of course you get your dust bag and everything. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay guys, so this is the bag right here. This is the Gucci Children's GG book bag, okay? If that's not the exact name of it, I will put the exact name on the screen. But here it is right here. This bag is absolutely gorgeous, and it's bigger than I thought it would be. So that's the only reason why I'm trying to determine if I'm going to keep it or not. I think that it's a good size. I was trying to choose between this bag and another bag. I'll go ahead and put that up on the screen for you guys. And I went ahead and chose this one because it has the brown lining, and I feel like that will go with more things than the one with the black lining. And I do have the Gucci Not Fake slides, which I am going to show you in this video as well. And I was just thinking about the summertime and me wearing my slides and me wearing this bag. So yeah, you have tons of room in this bag. You have this front pocket right here where you can put a bunch of stuff in here. A couple of phones, a little makeup bag, or whatever the case may be. I mean, tons of items can go in there. And then you also have a very large interior where you can put quite a few things. Also get a pocket on the inside, and it's a very deep pocket where you can put quite a few things in here as well. So I mean, the more I'm looking at this as I'm doing this video, I'm like, I don't even know why I'm trying to decide whether or not I'm keeping it or not. This bag would be great for travel or shopping or, you know, anything like that. This bag is on its longest setting, and with that being said, you know, if you like your bags to hang low, then this bag is not going to be able to hang too low because of course it is built for a child, not for an adult. So it doesn't have a very long setting. So that's it for bags. Now we're going to move on to shoes. So if you guys watch my Gucci outlet vlog where I just took you guys with me to the Gucci outlet store, you would see that I did have these shoes on in that video. And these are going to be the Gucci Not Fake slides. They came with this really gorgeous box. Then they also have a bag for each of the slides. Gucci does a really good job with their packaging and making it feel like it's a luxury purchase, all right? And I know a lot of people do not like these slides, but I love them. I don't care about it saying not fake. I don't care if that's tacky or whatever other people may say about it. Okay, so here they are up close. I have worn these slides quite a bit. It's finally gotten cold here in Georgia, so I'm not wearing them currently. And these are the most comfortable slides I've ever worn in my life. I love them. And this is the size 37. They fit me perfectly, and they just look really good. I mean, they look good if you wear them with jeans, leggings, you know, tan, white. I mean, they just look good all the way around. And I mean, I have no complaints about them. I did get these from Nordstrom, and then when I got them from Nordstrom, they were sold out, and then I had to place my order again. I would highly recommend these. You know, these go really nicely with the book bag. So that's why I'm saying I'm probably going to keep this book bag, because like I said, I can see me in the summertime really wearing the book bag and the slides together, and it'll look really nice. So yeah, highly recommend these slides. Let me know if you guys want me to do an updated wear and tear video. Okay, so last but not least, we have some more shoes, and these are some boots for the winter time. And they came in this box, but yes, again, I've not worn these yet, so I can't give you guys a whole, you know, review or anything on these as of yet. And I will go ahead and put the name of these on the screen, okay? So I'm just going to show you one of the boots, and then I'll show you the other boot, all right? So here are the boots right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And they come with these white strings, and I think if you get these directly from Gucci, you'll get an option for some black strings as well, but I got mine from Nordstrom and I didn't get any black strings. Here they are up close. Again, a very beautiful boot. I mean, just gorgeous. And then they have, I believe this is called the Sylvie. That's the Sylvie stripe. They have that Sylvie stripe. You can remove that. So let's just say you're wearing something and you don't want that on there. This is removable, which is great. These boots are heavy. You know, they are very heavy. So, you know, you definitely are going to feel like you have some boots on. But a lot of people say that they do get better over time. And so, yeah, I will be wearing these soon. But I just hadn't worn them yet because it was warm here in Georgia up until a week ago. So I will break these out soon. But yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous boots, and these are boots that are not trendy. These will be in style for a long time. Okay guys, so that's it for my Gucci haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to leave links to everything in the description bar. And I'm also going to leave a link to the Poshmark store where I did get the velvet Gucci bag. Yeah, definitely go ahead and check out the description bar if you're interested in any of these items. You guys already know if you have any questions or any comments, you can leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.